I was sent a little bag of silver. Quite a few little silver pieces. Let me take them out really quick. Oh wow, there's a little 1 gram silver round in here too. Oh my god. I've never seen a silver round this small before. Wow. And on the other side, 1 gram, 3/9 fine silver. Incredible. That is awesome. That's really cool. As for these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little 1 gram silver bars. Awesome. Look at that right there. Look at the size difference between a 10 ounce and a 1 gram silver bar. You can completely cover the top. And by the way, this isn't the only silver that was in there. There's one more thing. Awesome. Thank you very much, Lewis. Once again, can't thank you enough. I'm grateful, thankful, and appreciative. Head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. And if anybody's interested in joining the Precious Metals VIP Club, it's where I can do things on my own terms. And privately held live streams, they're smaller and easier to manage. Giveaways, discounts, personalized promo codes, shoutouts, deal alerts when silver and gold is on sale. And of course, you can watch all of my videos early and commercial free. Come join the Precious Metals VIP Club. It'll be the first link in the description. You're invited. I'd be happy to have you.